Hi, my name is Patricia Regier. I just wanted to show you quickly how to connect with Zoom and speak with a person. Perhaps you received an email from Zoom and you're not sure if it's legitimate and you want to verify. First of all, let's sign in. I'm going to sign in here and then log into your actual Zoom account itself. And then here in the bottom right, you will see this little person symbol. And then it is a digital AI, computer generated help. But what you can do is type human. So you might have a question or something you want to speak to someone. So you click human, and then it will connect you to a representative. And you could reset password, join a meeting, check my account, and what are you looking for? If you're looking for some support, you click that. And it's saying that I'm not signed in. So I'm going to click either try again. I can authenticate in another way because they want to make sure, do you have an existing Zoom account? Yes, I do. And then it wants me to give my email address. So you do that. And then in your email, when you receive the verification code, so they're adding some additional security here, which is never a bad thing. So I just have to, it just came through. So I will take that verification code and enter that and verify. Now it's saying, now it might not like a copy and paste. So you can, let's try. Now it works. So it didn't like a copy and paste. We've been verified. See support options. And you could submit a ticket or chat with a support agent. I find that really helpful when you have questions and you're not finding the information. First, search on Zoom's web pages, and there's a lot of great information. So if it's about Zoom meetings, for example, or something else, they've got all of these questions. And then it could be, see here, it's about security. And then live chat is what I typically do. And then I wait, and they'll connect me with an agent. Okay, that didn't take long. So I'm asking my question. It's for a client, asking her to reset her password. So I am going to save that link, send to receive compromised account notification. Thank you very much for confirming. And then that's that. So I've just verified. So if you do get an email from Zoom about your compromised account, I will add the link that they just gave me right here into the description below. But this is very helpful to be able to connect with a live person at Zoom to verify something or clarify another question if you're having issues with your account and you're not able to resolve it in another way first. Thank you. Have a great day. There we go. All right. So definitely be sure to thank them, how quickly this was resolved, and asking a quick question. Great customer service at Zoom. So thanks for checking out this video. I hope this is helpful for you if this comes up as well. And until next time, you can check out our other videos, like, subscribe, comment if this was helpful to you, and have a fantastic day.